In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backup and restore the entire settings of Google Chrome without using a Google account. Whether you're moving to a new computer or securing your browsing environment, knowing how to manually save and restore your Chrome settings can be quite handy. Let's dive into this straightforward process. First things first, to effectively back up your Chrome data, you need to ensure that all Chrome windows are completely closed. This step is crucial because it prevents data corruption during the backup process. Now, once everything is closed, open up File Explorer on your computer. For those of you using Windows, there's a specific directory you'll need to access. In the address bar of File Explorer, type in %local app data %google/chrome/user data and then hit Enter. Remember, the app data folder where this directory resides is hidden by default. So if you haven't done so yet, make sure to enable the Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives option in your File Explorer settings. Once you've located the directory, you'll find the User Data folder. This is the folder that contains all the key information about your Chrome settings, bookmarks, extensions, and more. To back this up, simply copy the entire User Data folder. You'll want to paste this copied folder to a safe location. This could be an external hard drive if you have one handy, or you might opt for a cloud storage solution. Just make sure it's somewhere secure where you won't accidentally delete it. Now, let's move to restoring your settings on another computer. The process begins similarly to the backup. Close all Chrome windows on the new machine. After that, navigate to the Chrome profile directory, which again is found at %local app data % Google/Chrome/user data. In this directory, you should find an existing user data folder. To proceed with the restoration, you need to delete this folder. However, if you're feeling a bit cautious and want to keep the current local settings just in case, you can opt to rename it instead. Following this, take the user data folder you backed up earlier and paste it into the Google folder of the new computer. With that done, open Chrome, and you should see your old settings, bookmarks, and extensions load up just as they were before. And there you have it. That's how you can manually back up and restore your Google Chrome settings without relying on a Google account. It's a straightforward process, but one that gives you control over your browser environment wherever you go. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and guides.